Come test drive the 2019 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.